Hey guys, welcome back to our channel. In this tech tutorial video, we're going to show you how you can turn off the Microsoft Defender SmartScreen filter on Microsoft Edge. So let us dive into this and show you how to do it. Before we start though guys, let us remind you that doing this is actually not recommended. However, if you'd like to do it like temporarily, this is how you can do it. So launch the Microsoft Edge web browser and here on your home screen, click into these three dots on the top right and select settings from that menu here. And inside your browser settings, head over to this section on the left panel, Privacy, Search and Services, and here to the right, click into Security. And last but not least, guys, you will see the Microsoft Defender SmartScreen feature enabled on default usually. Here uses Microsoft Defender SmartScreen, and as you can see, it is enabled for me. Let me just turn it off just for the sake of the tutorial, because that's how you do it, guys. Here you can toggle it off and that way disable the SmartScreen feature. And yeah, that's basically it. Let me turn it on again. You may also go a bit more into the detail and, for example, block potentially unwanted apps, for example, or let it or keep it disabled or turned off. That's totally up to you guys. So that's how you do it. That's how you turn off the SmartScreen feature or filter on Microsoft Edge. Thanks for watching. Hope you enjoyed this video, got some value from it, and we'll see you next time on our channel.